Interior of the new EQS SUV has been revealed by Mercedes, and this is just weeks before the official world premiere of this new fully electric model. As expected, the interior itself is very modern, very luxurious, but also well known in terms of design element. In front of the driver and passenger there is a huge AMBIENT HYPERSCREEN. It comes as an option and it has 56 inches, going all the way from one A-pillar to another. The AMBIENT HYPERSCREEN includes the instrument cluster, infotainment and passenger display in a seamless design. For the full experience, driver and occupants can change between various colors of ambient lights that go throughout the whole car. EQS SUV also offers the third row of the seats, so it really is a practical electric SUV. Subscribe to the channel for the full reveal next month.